Game na po.
Okay, hi, hello sa mga taga California. Thank you very much for helping us, especially the financial assistance. You know, our success here is not only our success, but it's also success of all those people behind us, like you. So, especially to you, Pastor Mesenyong, kamusta po, at Tipat. Salamat ng marami sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong sa amin. At maging sa mga kapatiran natin dyan sa church, dyan sa Faith Hope Love Assembly. Salamat sa kanila. Thank you very much for all the things that you have done in us. And I hope that this ministry will continue until the time that God will come back again. Here's my wife. Tagalogin mo.
Okay. Good morning po. Thank you very much for being part of our ministry here in Philippines. Maraming salamat sa inyong tulong, sa inyong walang sawang pagtulong. And thank you very much din sa inyong prayer. May the Lord bless you and more power to your ministry.
Saka salamat pala kay Bethany. Saka kumusta na kay Cassidy. Sana magsama-sama tayo someday dito. Muli makabakasyon kayo dito sa amin, sa Mindoro. Sana magkita-kita. Saka sa mga yung nagbakasyon ng last month dito. Kay Brother Ray, saka yung Cora, saka kay Annie. Lahat sa mga kasamahan nila. Salamat salamat sa kanila. Salamat sa inyo. At we'll still praying for you that God will continue to use you in this ministry, and wherever you go, God will bless you and protect you, even your family. Thank you very much. We love you. God bless you.
JP! JP, dali! Jessa! Si Jessa po! Anak ni Pastor Jess!
Hello!
JP! Si Sambe! Ayun si Sambe! Sambe! Tingin ka dito!